Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about using Excel template and creating custom template in Microsoft Excel. First, let's look at using Excel template. Excel provides many pre-designed templates that help the user quickly create different types of documents. These templates are already formatted and organized, so you don't have to start from scratch. For example, Excel offer template for first you have to click it new and you are able to see different templates. Using Excel offer templates for budgeting, schedules, calendar, invoices, and many other. As you can see here, there are two main categories: office and personal use, and you can see many templates here. And then let's move forward to the next: how we can create custom template in Excel. First, you have to go and open a new file like blank workbook. As I already creating one, so save the time. I add a column, and you have to add the things which you need to customize. Like for example, I'm just saying I have to sum column here, and I want to have a sum of all these columns here, like sum. I will add formula like this and all this int. Now whenever I just add number here, 56 and so on, 67, 69, 50, and it's as much. For right now, I'm going to drag them to save time. And at the end, I'm saying right here, I need sum of all these here. Okay, sum number here. It will give you automatically sum. And right here, if I say 59, 65, and 79, and it will automatically create formulas. And then we have to save it. Click here, save as, select the document from where you have to save, and from here you can see Excel workbook is automatically selected. You have to change it as an Excel template and it will create your template and save it. And next time you need to use the template which you already created, then you can use the same template. I hope that you are able to understand the template format. That's all for this video. Love.